to our next speaker, Ivan. He's co-founder at Aistrospace, and he will be speaking about computer vision. Ivan, the floor is yours.
So, hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you not only the technologies and services that we're using, but our way to the space industry. So let me share the screen and we will start. So, Aistrospace is now an UAE-based company in Masdar. We have a quite amazing team of IT professionals with expertise in AI for more than 8 years. Out of 11 years that actual concept of AI exists, and with the development stack for almost every single aspect of AI. But the journey of the company to this state was not so clear from the beginning. And although we now provide edge AI and geospatial AI imagery processing as a part of our solution for space industry, it wasn't always like this. Before that, we started to explore edge technologies in general, while training neural networks, collecting different kinds of information. Optimizing this neural network was very important for the space industry, where the neural network is supposed to be a couple of megabytes size, and we don't have GPU capabilities in space to run the complex system. And of course, over the time, we worked with many hardware providers like NVIDIA Xilinx, NVIDIA Jetson, Lattice, and even created some of the solutions for custom-made boards provided by our customers. For now, we have agriculture, maritime solutions, and also solutions for water leak detection. We developed technologies for mapping the crops and predict future harvests. For water leak detection, we can use SAR imagery to detect the moisture of the land and map the areas with water leaks and the floats as well. And of course, there is a big market for maritime, the ship detection, and marine traffic control. Besides that, our company provides AI consulting. The problem with AI in the space industry and in general with edge AI. So most of the companies then don't know which architecture to choose. Mostly focus on GPU, but they don't know that it's possible to run some of the tasks on FPGA. So big part of our job is education and consulting. And although in some cases, there already some neural networks exist on our client premises, their lack of accuracy or lower FPS. We can help with this one as well. In general, our team's AI capabilities include computer vision and big data analysis. When we're talking about computer vision, it's not just only general image classification and segmentation models, but also intelligent video analysis and what's very important, anomaly detection. Later on, I will show you really good examples of this technology. As I told you, our way to the space industry was not so obvious, and we started with computer vision here on Earth. One of the first projects was detection on classification vehicle side. This project was implemented in Japan when we could analyze what the traffic is in certain areas and make some prediction models on that. Next step was some kind of inspection automation with the computer vision involved. And that's where we shifted also our focus to inspection in general, starting to experiment with different kinds of imagery. And here we were using infrared imagery analysis to deliver cutting-edge turnkey solution for our clients. The problem in general with the solutions that we create, that it appears at the first step in the minds of our clients and customers. They just have an idea whether it will be possible to create this and that solution. That's why most of our projects, most of our solutions that we created, they are project-based, and it's still very big room for the product to be developed. We shifted to underwater and created one of the first projects powered by NVIDIA Jetson with the underwater object detection. So worked with Xilinx as well, road inspection, and while we stuck to inspection as well, we wanted to make something bigger, greater, and we were thinking what kinds of the use of these technologies that we're developed in terms of the neural network training, the use of the hardware, and the experience with different kind of hardware. We shifted to France and created the smallest possible neural network and implemented it on the scooter. What would you think that have scooter and space in common? But actually the condition is similar. You have shortage in power, you don't have a lot of space for implementing the solution, and you need to track it on the device and get most of the data immediately. And only the final alert with the relevant information need to be sent. So the purpose of this project was to create AI that can track drivers' behavior, so reckless drivers can be banned from using the scooters. Probably you all seen in European cities, drivers could drive, were driving previously almost everywhere in the pedestrian zone as well. So there should be someone just looking at it. So we create AI. Our last step before we shifted to space was anomaly detection with NVIDIA Jetson, where we created state-of-the-art technology where you don't need to teach the neural network how the track or inconsistency look like. We just train it on normal data, and we're able to achieve 450 FPS on this, which technical people will mention that it's quite a big number, quite a good performance. So we felt that we're good enough for space, and what we've done, we created AI for one of the satellites for Italian R&D center based on Xilinx chip. So this AI was designed to take pictures of the Earth surface, analyze it, and send only relevant data without clouds to the Earth. As a result, we received 75% more relevant data on Earth. And just think about it, 700 terabytes of data were analyzed there. There was no way it was possible to send this kind of information back to Earth in the short period of time. But we've done it with AI. Then next projects came with the flood detection technologies based on geospatial imagery analysis. And this is where we started to use all our experience that we collected on the Earth to use it in space. Because very big segment of the project and very big market in SAR imagery, we started to create models for ship detection, segmentation of different objects, and our latest project is change detection of buildings, where we can track where the building is just a bit tilted, or for example, the bridge is shaking as well, just looking on the SAR imagery. All of this, I think, can represent our journey from solutions that we created on Earth for something that we can use in space. And it's completely different how the space industry look like. Usually people have an idea, invest a lot of money, create something for space, and then after many, many years, this technology comes back to Earth. We've done completely opposite. We created something on Earth and now bringing back to space. So open for collaboration with other companies and thinking about the new ways how we can use technologies created on Earth there in space. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sorry if it was too loud. I'm on exhibition now.
No problem.
I was very happy to join you tonight.